Jamaica. Let us vote for a better Jamaica. In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour. Grab your neighbor, vote for Labour. Tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Everybody just vote for Labour. Tell them vote for Labour. That's right. Me and me neighbor voting for Labour. Tell them make we vote for Labour. In this election, tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Why? We are the government going back to parliament. Yes, we are. Labour alone, we give our vote. Labour Party we love the most. And them alone again the vote. Tell them again. Vote for Labour. Make we vote for Labour. Hands and hearts and vote for Labour. Brothers and sisters vote for Labour. Oh yes. Make we vote for Labour. That's right. I better Jamaica. I bright young leader. Tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Everybody vote for Labour. Our leader is a young man. We can depend to lead us home to victory. A new Jamaica we want to see. Jamaica Labour Party. A bright young leader. Vote for Labour. Vote for Labour. Now come your neighbor. Vote for Labour. Everybody vote for Labour. Take home the victory. Jamaica Labour Party. We are hold on to a victory and take it home one more time.